In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a meeting private in Outlook. Whether you're using Outlook on the web, the new Outlook, or classic Outlook on your desktop, the process is quick and helps you protect sensitive details on your calendar. First, open your calendar. This is your starting point in any version of Outlook. If you're already looking at Mail, just switch over to Calendar using the navigation pane. Next, either start a new event or open an existing one you'd like to protect. If you're creating a new event, this is a good moment to give it a clear title so you'll recognize it later. Now, locate the option to mark the meeting as private. In Classic Outlook for Windows, look at the top ribbon for the tags group inside it. You'll see the private icon, which looks like a small padlock. In the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, you'll typically see the padlock or a private toggle near the top of the event window. Click that private icon or toggle. When it's on, Outlook applies the privacy flag to the meeting. Once you've marked it private, you should see a lock icon appear on the event. That's your visual confirmation. What this does is hide the details of the event from people who can view your calendar but aren't invited. Instead of your subject or agenda, they'll see private appointment. Keep in mind, anyone you actually invite to the meeting will still see the details they need. Also, your organization's administrators or delegates with special permissions may still have the ability to view information, so think of private as a way to hide details from casual calendar viewers rather than a strict security feature. Before you finish, fill in the necessary details for the event. Add the time and date, location or meeting link, and any notes in the description. If it's a new meeting that you're sending to others, add your attendees and double-check the time zone to avoid confusion. If you're editing an existing event, review your changes and make sure the private icon remains selected. When everything looks good, click Save Close for personal calendar items, or click Send if you're inviting others. That's it. The appointment will show a lock on your calendar, and others with access to view your calendar will only see private appointment. If you ever need to change it back, just open the event, turn off the private icon, and save your changes. Thanks for watching.